Morning, everyone. It's January 2023. I thought I'd just give you kind of an update of what we kind of got going on, or what we've been working on or trying to repair before next rush coming on. So hopefully this will be a better year than last year, which was good, but you always want a little better than what you had. Let me flip you here. Well, we have this truck still sitting here. We haven't got the whole team together to start on the project, so it's just kind of sitting here waiting for everyone. But last summer or last spring, on this Ford, we got a radiator leak and blew a hole in the radiator. And let's run over and take a look at the radiator. And what it was is one of these seams cracked, and I thought, well, I was going to try to cut the seam out and then weld the end, or solder or braze. I'm not sure exactly the right way to do this, but solder the end on and try to plug it and get it to work. But this metal is made out of a pewter or something. I thought it was aluminum, but you put heat to it, it sure starts turning black and burning black, and must be a pewter or something. So anyway, I got tired of messing with it, and then I just went out and just bought another one, and which these radiators are really pretty cheap for what we're getting. But let's take a look at the radiator. Anyway, here's a new radiator, and nowadays everything's made out of like a plastic or supposedly aluminum, but for what they cost, I can see why they're fairly cheap. So anyway, we'll work on that today and put the radiator in and get this Ford back on so we have it next spring when we're ready for it or need it. But we'll make the best of her, and we can use it for pulling stuff or running around back and forth or whatever we kind of need. Well, we got a radiator. Let's have a seam leak. Let's see how, when we pressure check it, how it turns out. Sweet home Alabama. Here's our Massey, and what happened to it is all the cold storage and shop got full, and that poor girl ended up sitting outside this winter. Which we're gonna have to make some changes to it so we can get her inside. Hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said earlier, please subscribe and leave comments so we can make it better. So, talk to you guys later, and have a good day.